Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually be productive if you're actually into all social media marketing. Like you want to be more productive, probably you are going to have all ideas and you want to start posting on and on, probably like five post a day or something like that, and you're going out of ideas and something like that. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually design and how you can actually do all your productivity easily with this particular AI. And this is actually been very, very good. And you can actually derive a lot of inspiration through this AI and try to like maneuver things and do it your own way. So if you think this video at the end of the day is actually very, very good for you and is very helpful for you, then click on the like button. And if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, like you think this video is actually very good and you want to be watching my videos, you don't want to miss out on the ones I'm going to be dropping, then click on the notification bell and click on the subscribe button. The red subscribe button down below, you can click on it and you can tell me which kind of video do you want to see next time on my video on my channel. You get, so I'm going to be showing you everything. So let's just jump into it. So right now you see we are actually on IG, and this is actually like someone that is actually doing social media post designer. You get, like someone that is designing posts on IG, and all these posts are not really and not bad. You get, so you can actually start designing. You can use Canva, Pixel Lab, or actually you can start with Illustrator or Photoshop to do all these ones, and they are not bad. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do. Probably you're in a niche whereby probably you are doing affiliate marketing and you're in a niche. Probably you're promoting a relationship. Um, what's it called? A relationship post. So let's just be like, um, social media. Let me check something. So you can see I actually saw something, but I'm not sure about that. Let me check this one. This one is not even into a lot. You can see he's actually doing things also, but not that really good. That we see all these designs, so you can actually like start doing your establish your own brand value. This is actually, and this person is actually into, I think, relationship stuff, and this is actually like, if you click on that, it's actually going to take us to probably it's affiliate marketing. This is Linktree, so it's going to be like probably a course and something else you get. So yeah, he's end up going to gain. That's just it. He's end up going to gain because he's going to be selling products. Let's just check. So he designed everything. Social media news. So he's getting email list, book, book an intro call. So if you book an intro call, that means I think you are going to pay, visit our website, YouTube channel. So you got YouTube channels also. So he's actually like gaining a lot in through YouTube, his website, probably ads or traffic. And he's actually like book in an intro call. Probably you're going to pay, and this social media news, which is going to get your what's it called? Your email you get, and then it's going his own email or our own email list. You get what I'm saying? So now you can actually jump into like productivity, like a very good productivity by just going to this AI that I'm telling you, which is ChatGPT. So I already like test run everything down there already. So I was like, yeah, you are into relationship. I was like, okay, give me 10 did you know on relationships and marriage. So he actually gave me 10 right here, and you can see all of 10. So you can decide to post like 3 in a day you get, and just be like, okay, I'm going to copy and paste this. So you're going to copy this, then you go to Canva, then you're going to like design them for the best way you want it. You get, you don't want to like just you cannot even post it like that. You get, so you need to copy this thing. Then it's actually saving you the strength of thinking, and probably you just want to be lazy at this particular time. Then you can actually use this way I'm showing you. So yeah, you click on Canva, you can actually design a lot of things on Canva. And if you have probably another way to design, you can actually choose that also. But I really use Canva a lot, even though I know how to do Adobe Illustrator. I know how to design with Illustrator and probably Photoshop. But when I decide to be kind of lazy, then I go into that. So you can go to social media, right? Yeah, yeah. The links to Canva, ChatGPT will be actually in the description below, so you can click on them and go into whatever you want to go to. You get so. And if you like this video, don't forget to actually subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos on how you can actually do things easy for you. And I'm going to be sharing my ideas also and my thoughts on things. So this is actually the Instagram post. This is square. So you can I actually choose that. So next thing, I went for the template, right? So this is the template design. So I searched for IG post, you get. So it showed me templates. Let's back things up. So I searched for IG post, it showed me templates, you can see. So I decided to choose, where is it? Right. I decided to choose this. Then I copied one of these ones. I think is number 3. Did you know conflicts relationship can actually be healthy? So let's find it. This is it. I actually chose number 5. Then I decided to copy and paste it right here. See, right? So when I copy and paste it, I give it a little more space and spacing and everything. Like it should be good to go, you get. So I did everything perfect. Then I can actually do this and download it. So you can actually decide to change your color depending on, you have a small brand and your brand is actually going to get um these colors you actually use for your own brand. Probably your brand is actually you using black and white, or let's say it's your brand, so you can actually decide to be yeah, I want to use colors that actually come from my brand, not these ones. Then you can actually decide to change them. Yeah, right. Yeah, you get. So I can actually do this instead, or choose black instead. You get, it depends on you or on the stuff you want to do, you get. So that's how you actually become more productive. I say more. That's how you actually become more productive on your social media marketing. You get, yeah, you need to post every day, and probably you need to post 5 things every day. It's not going to be easy. So you need more ideas to generate more thoughts and more inspiration on how you can actually do that. And this is actually the best way you can actually do it. Also, you can put this into your shelf of study or of practice, whereby you can actually probably are going to get 5 more methods whereby it can actually give you this more good efficiency in more being very productive on your online marketing or social media marketing. You get what I'm saying? So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and you can actually subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button there. When subscribe button, it's actually free. You click on it, you click on the notification bell, and you can actually share. You get. But if you like this video, click on the like button also. Thank you very much.